what is definitely typed and what's its use. So we have seen there is a large ecosystem for the JavaScript. There are many libraries and the frameworks which are already written in the JavaScript. So the TypeScript is came newly, so of course it will not have the strong ecosystem like the JavaScript script and the strong library support that is already present with the JavaScript. So we need some way in between. We can use the JavaScript inside our TypeScript. So we have something called as declaration files, in which the declaration files and the mapping file, so in which we can get to know the types present inside the JavaScript. So let's say if there is any library written, something called as jQuery. So the jQuery is written in the JavaScript. So if you want to use the jQuery, or maybe the Express library is there, which is a well-known library for the backend REST API creation. So that's completely written in the JavaScript. So you don't have anything regarding its data type because that's in JavaScript. And when you're trying to use in the TypeScript, so there is a highly possible chances you will get runtime issues with the data types, and it will not allow you to use all the operations which are present in the Express library written in the JavaScript. So you need compulsorily the declaration file in which all the variables, all the classes, all the interface and all the declarations with their data types will be written inside a declaration that we call d.ts file, and that we have also seen in our advanced compilation module, where we have seen a flag called declaration file and the declaration maps. So it means to use any particular JavaScript library, that can be anything, Express, jQuery, or maybe any other library, Lodash, any other library which is written in the JavaScript, you must need a declaration file for that to use it. So of course, the library will not assure you that they will provide you the d.ts file, the declaration file. Let's say the jQuery community, let's say the Express community, they will definitely provide you this declaration file. It is completely their choice. Either they want to provide or not. It depends on them. So there is a separate community called definitely typed, which will take care of all this thing. So what they do, they create only the declaration files for all of these libraries like Express, jQuery, so that you can reuse all the libraries which are given in the JavaScript directly inside your TypeScript. So all the non-typed npm packages, they convert, they write the uh, d.ts file for them and give us the declaration files, and that is something called as definitely typed community. I'll just give you one of the example for that. Let's go to the npm here, and if you just search for @types, so these are all the list of libraries that they have already given you. There are more than 400 libraries they have given us the declaration file. It means it is opening the doors to use these highly used more than 400 JavaScript libraries directly inside your TypeScript. So they have given here for Node, they have given for React, which is one of the well-known one, then for Express one. So this Express is basically written in the JavaScript. So when we are using the declaration files using @type/express, can also write the backend code which in the Express framework completely inside the TypeScript. And let's also try to go in more details about it. So let me open this library here. This is Type Express, and I just want to show you what exactly they are writing in these files. These are the scripts. Okay, these are the JavaScript scripts. I want to show you the declaration files that they are writing. Give me a second. Let me just reopen it for the Express one. Okay, I'm not able to figure it out exactly the d.ts file. Let me just try to do it with any one of the other one. Let's say with React. They should be providing you the d.ts file. Yes. So let me just go back and show you for Express only. So in this particular Express, if I go here and just see what exactly the declaration files they provided us. So if I go to the repository here, something called types folder, And these are all the detailed functionalities inside the Express library. Let me just open one of it like absolute. And here you can see the d.ts file. So they are providing us these declaration files and using which we can use all these libraries completely inside our TypeScript. So hope you understood how exactly the definitely type community help us to use all the already available JavaScript libraries inside our TypeScript.